Welcome to our wall cabinet assembly guide. Let's get started. First, unbox all the pieces and organize them neatly. Make sure to save a piece of cardboard to use as a clean workspace. Before assembling, loosen all the flat bracket screws on each cabinet piece. Start by placing the face frame of the cabinet face down on the cardboard. Apply glue to the grooves and slide the side panel L brackets into place. Tighten the bracket screws and add the additional center screw. Repeat this process on the other side. Loosen all the flat bracket screws. Add glue to the top and bottom panels. Slide these into place. Next, slide in the back panel and secure with screws. Plastic bumpers to the door. And install the shelf pins and shelves. for watching our wall cabinet assembly guide. Enjoy your new space.